will show you how to make a simple Tuscan chicken liver pate.
I love it. That sounds
Later.
great.
Super fast and easy and really delicious. All of your birds come with the liver, and the kidneys and the heart, right?
That's right.
Some people are wigged out by offal and livers. Something they may not know is that the most nutrient dense part of the animal is actually right here. And it's cool, I tell a little story on my menu. The king of the jungle, it eats all the guts and it leaves everything else for everyone else. So learn from them. Oh, we got that steel going, nice. The salad we want it here. Throw some sage in there from the garden. Let that get nice and hot and sear. Whenever you do a liver pate, it's important to get some color, but not overcook the liver.
Right.
So it's caramelized and creamy, which means you need a lot of high heat.
Are you looking for like light brown on the outside?
I mean, I like
brown?
a dark brown.
Okay, you're going ahead and
Yeah, a lot of sear. Sear is flavor in my opinion.